Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday, the day after the Dunziver. And today I want to go to Bob Marley's museum today. That's the plan for today. To go to Bob Marley's museum. See what the Rasta man really did go on with, really see what we can learn and all of that. You know? Yeah, so that's the plan for today. And Dunziver, I'd recommend it to anyone. It's beautiful. I wish me and my father had gone there when I was younger. That would have been nice. That would have been dope. If we had a picture like that. Me and my father was busy doing other things, you know? So I would say to my friends, bro, if you have a kids, take them to Dunziver, bro. Take them somewhere, you know? Because you have to remember the children are the future. And I wish my father had told me that. You know what I mean? My father had tell me that, bro, you're powerful, bro. These pause you got inside. Like when the song says, I believe the children are the future. Teach them right and let them lead the way. Teach your children right and let them lead the way. Let them know all the powers they possess inside. I wish my father had told me. I had to find out for myself. I never know something so powerful. You see me? Yeah, to make things happen. You have the power in your veins to make anything you want happen. I never know this. You can buy a mama house. You can buy a father house. If you really do the right things. You know? Your children can come change your situation just the same. Just the same. Your daughter, your son can come become a baller, like my friend Shane. Your son, whatever his name, I'm in the midfield. He might turn and make them pass their assist. You see me? Come build up your house for you. Buy a car or two. You never know. Your son is yours. Focus on no like nobody else really. That's not yours. Your son come from you. Or your daughter come from you. So, treat them the best. And try your best. Try to make it to every one of the football game them. You understand? Every single one, and support them fully. Because they can change your situation. Because them is you. Them is half of you. Right? Them way they so support them fully 100%. Be there for them and teach them the right things. And tell them about the powers that they possessed inside. The powers that they got in their veins to make a change and make things happen. Yeah, because you never really know. Born poor, suffer, and then one man can come change everything in our family. One person can come change everything in our family. You know what I mean? Yeah, can come turn a singer. Bad artist, I'm up on the stage. Never know. So just tell him and them thing. They say, yo, bro, anything you want, you can achieve it. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm off to the tire warehouse now. Gonna align my car on the alignment stand. It needs to be balanced. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. It looks like Bob Marley's museum is closed today on a Sunday. So maybe those plans are gonna be postponed until a later date. But I'll find something else to do because it's every day, bro. I gotta post a vlog, alright? Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, alright? Thank you for choosing Mutual Obedience Society. You're welcome. No, man. Line and balance. I understand. Just now. See? We're doing pretty out here in the city. Yeah, so we're out here. Wait till that finish. When I finish, I'm gonna get some lunch. What's that? No, no, really. No, really. I'm myself. That's myself, man. No, no. Get some lunch after this.
You've always been good to me. You've always been kind to me.
Alignment. Yeah, car feels solid, I know. Feels solid, firm, and sit down on the road. Nah, you're no nice either. Never know say them type of magic there. Alignment and balance work. Press out here now, see how it feel. When you press out. I mean, it feel firm. So I come here so today to get some lunch. I want to get a wrap real quick. Get a wrappy wrap, a jerk chicken wrap, or probably like an egg wrap. And have that for lunch. It's on a Sunday and I'm coming to a restaurant to get some lunch. That's crazy. I need a wife. Apply applications in the comments. Okay? Jerk chicken wrap. Cheese. Sweet peppers. And some cheese, yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay, that? So this is my wrap. I'm a drink. Having some lunch. Nice at the restaurant, yeah. Music playing in the background. Turn it off real quick, okay? So I'm finished with one slice, and look at this. This is the next slice. Beautiful, ain't it? Out here. Eating my Sunday lunch. Listening to some beats. Yeah, so it's drizzling, so I'm about to leave now. So I'm chill a bit and then leave. Finish my food. I'm gonna go to the hairdresser after this. Later on. It's Sunday, baby. On a date, kinda nervous by myself. So it's coming down hard now, so I'm leaving. But over here is a really nice place. So. And I live nearby here and I didn't even know. Supermarket right here, I didn't even know. It's raining. Come here all the time. Didn't even know that there's a nice restaurant around here. So. Gonna go home now though. See? Yeah, maybe that's it for this video. Sunday vlog. I should go to the hairdresser, but I don't know yet. Maybe that's it for this video, a little Sunday vlog.